Now, the air we breathe is made up of many air molecules, but the two most important and most abundant molecules around us are nitrogen and oxygen. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to draw the covalent bond and show you the nature of the covalent bond with the nitrogen and oxygen. We'll begin with oxygen. And before we start the covalent bond, just keep in mind that what you draw depends on the group of the element and the period of the element. Now you'll see why. So if we start with oxygen, okay? So here's oxygen. And you can see it overlaps because it's covalent bond, they have to share. Now it has two shells because it's in period 2. So that's why you have to keep that in mind. And the other thing about oxygen is that it's in group 6. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The same here. 5 and 6. And the thing about oxygen is that it needs 2 electrons to complete the octet rule, which is 8 electrons in total. So we'll have 1, 2 for this oxygen molecule, and 1, 2 for here. So that shows you the complete octet rule of the O2 molecule. So O2 is complete. Now we're going to go to nitrogen, and it's the same deal here. When we start with nitrogen, we keep in mind that again it's in period 2. So let's just draw this. Nitrogen. And it's also in group 5. So it has 5 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, since it's in group 5, each nitrogen needs 3 more electrons to complete the octet rule and the outer shell rule. So 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Now the reason I do both is because each element has to have 3 electrons. So these electrons are for these, and these electrons are for this. So N2 is also complete.